We are now in Gondal in Saurashtra. This is the second biggest constituency dominated by the Patel. It's one of the big strongholds of the Patidar community whose revolt has shaken the BJP to its core with the Hardik Patel factor. We are standing outside the big palace of Gondal, which was the palace of Maharaja Bhagwat Singh Ji, one of the great iconic rulers of Gujarat. With us is also Navrang, the editor of I Am Gujarat. Navrang, this place has a special place in the history of Saurashtra. Why is that?
देखिए गोंडल जो है वो सौराष्ट्र का एक टाइम पर एजुकेशन हब था। यहाँ के जो किंग थे भगवत सिंह जी, उन्होंने स्टेट में एजुकेशन मैंडेटरी बनाया हुआ था और गुजराती का जो सबसे पहला लेक्सिकन है वो भी भगवत सिंह जी ने तैयार किया था। तो
भगवत गोमंडल।
यस हाँ, तो इस हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए तो गोंडल में मतलब कल्चरली और वो सब काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है। और इस बार बीजेपी ने जो लास्ट टाइम के सिटिंग एमएलए थे उनकी वाइफ को चुनाव में उतारा है, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर एक क्रिमिनल केस चल रहा है और वो इस बार इलेक्शन में नहीं लड़ सकते।
So one of the things that we are seeing here, of course, is the Patidar factor. Rajesh Kalra joins us, who is the chief editor of Time the Internet. Rajesh, all political analysts keep talking about Patels, Hardik Patel and all of that, and of course Hardik Patel is getting huge crowd and so on. But are we reading too much into it?
See, he's getting huge crowds, but the fact remains that Patels are a very, very potent force in Gujarat. If you look at the data, I think 12 to 14% of Gujarat's population is Patels. And data shows that they actually have the ability to influence 60 of the 182 seats, which is a very big number. And so far since 1980, BJP's most loyal vote bank has been the Patels. So for this party to now feel threatened that Patels may move away is a very, very significant moment for them, and they surely must be worried about it.
So let's get in some voices from here. आप लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं संग्राम सिंह हाई स्कूल में. आपको क्या लगता है कि भाजपा इस बार प्रेशर में है कि हर बार की तरह भाजपा का चुनाव है?
हर बार की तरह भाजपा ही आएगा, क्योंकि वो नहीं बोलता, उसका विकास बोलता है।
डिमोनेटाइजेशन और जीएसटी से आप लोग को तकलीफ हुआ अपने बिजनेस में?
हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत तकलीफ हुई। क्या वो कम्प्लीटली सरकार को भी कम्प्लीटली मालूम नहीं है कि क्या अभी पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, और वकील को भी पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, इसलिए तकलीफ हो रही है। सभी को मालूम हो जाएगा 4-6 महीने में कम्प्लीटली, सभी वो रेगुलर ऐसे पहले होता था वैसे ही हो जाएगा।
तो वोट आप फिर भी भाजपा को करेंगे?
हो सर, हम उसके नाराज है, लेकिन उससे दुखी नहीं है।
विकास दिख रहा है आपको ग्राउंड पर?
हाँ, विकास हमको भाजपा का ही दिख रहा है और यहाँ भाजपा आएगी, क्योंकि भाजपा का विकास दिख रहा है।
विकास तो दिख रहा है, लेकिन अभी क्या है, पाटीदार जो आंदोलन चल रहा है तो इसके लिए थोड़ा बीजेपी की थोड़ी तो तकलीफ आएगी वोट लेने में, क्योंकि अभी पाटीदार ओबीसी सब दलित सब अभी उसके विरोध में चल रहे हैं बीजेपी के। तो फिर
प्रॉब्लम होगा आपको बीजेपी को? कितना प्रॉब्लम होगा?
अभी तो रिजल्ट आए उसके बाद ही पता चलता है। लोग अपनी अपनी सोच बता रहे हैं कि ये होगा ये होगा।
So let's take some voices from this side. इस बार भाजपा को पाटीदार आंदोलन की वजह से कुछ तकलीफ होगी?
नहीं तकलीफ होगी सर, इस बार भी बीजेपी ही जीतेगा।
If I can ask Rajesh to join us again. Rajesh, one of the things with the Patidar Andolan, of course, is that this is not the first time there's been an agitation. We saw this with Keshubai Patel in the last election, and what happened then was that actually the BJP those votes didn't go. So do you think the same thing happening with Hardik Patel, that we keep talking about it, but then in the end the BJP, because of its wider loyalties with voters, ends up trumping that factor?
See, one is Hardik is not Keshubai Patel. I don't think he's as tall a leader as he was, because last time when Keshubai Patel formed Gujarat Parivartan Party, he actually took votes away from BJP. It would not have had the same impact this time also, except that now that Hardik has tied up with Congress. So now we need to see how it happens. Here, even though we are surrounded by people who seem to think that BJP is surely going to come back, there are still people who think that Hardik's factor is something which BJP cannot ignore.
So, and for our viewers, this is not a scientific sample. That we are stopping by the roadside at key places and talking to people and picking up the sentiment. This is actually the first place where we found such an overwhelmingly strong support for the BJP. In other places, we've seen much more divided opinion in the last 3 stops. Sanjeev Singh.
Divided, I think it was decidedly against. So far, it seemed. Here, this is the first place we have been where people are quite overwhelmingly in support of BJP. So it seems.
So Sanjeev Singh from the Times of India also joins us. Sanjeev, let me ask you, what is in terms of Keshubhai Patel's party GPP? Now he's back with the BJP, but between his party and the Paas Andolan, the key difference as you see it.
See, when GPP was formed, obviously that time the basic reason why it was formed was that Keshubhai Patel felt that he was not being given his due in the party by Narendra Modi, and so Gujarat Parivartan Party was formed. And the fact that in Saurashtra they polled almost 8% vote is a testament that there was some Patel unrest even the last time around. But the fact was that that vote did not accrue to any of the 2 major political parties. This time with the Hardik factor,
they won 2 seats.
They won 2 seats, but they spoiled chances of BJP candidates on almost 15 to 20 seats. And also they affected chances of Congress also in 5 to 7 seats, but it was BJP which bore the brunt of that campaign. Now the fact is that if there is a Hardik factor, if there is unrest among Patels, especially among the youth, as we are seeing in the rallies of Hardik Patel where most youth are turning up, and he is openly aligning with the Congress party. So in that case, if you add that vote percentage to the Congress party, then it could be a big threat for the BJP.
So the vote share difference between the BJP and the Congress in 2012 was roughly around 9%.
Yes.
Now opinion polls are talking about a much closer vote share. We'll have to wait and see how this election plays out. There's a lot of electioneering still to go in this election, but at least in Gondal, at least by the palace of Maharaja Bhagwat Singh Ji, we are finding that the BJP supporters are out in greater force than those of the Congress, which is different from the other pit stops we've had on election time so far. Keep watching us for further updates.